Ripple XRP. This will melt faces to the stratosphere. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss if Ripple XRP is going to rise or fall in 2021. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video right away. Blackjack pro Steve Wynn predicts that the XRP design and increased adoption will push the coin's price to $10,000, though some analysts make bearish comments. Steve Wynn, a real estate businessman. Ripple is built upon distributed open source protocol, a consensus ledger, and the aforementioned digital asset known as XRP. Built for enterprise use, XRP enables real-time global payments anywhere in the world. XRP offers banks and payment providers a reliable, on-demand option to source liquidity for cross-border payments and has been increasingly adopted by banks and payment networks as settlement infrastructure technology. As of September 2019, XRP is the third largest coin by market. Ripple XRP has faced a legal challenge from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in recent months, but remains popular on the international crypto markets and has gained around 150% since the start of the year. With various cryptocurrencies rallying strongly in expectations of further upside, are you considering which altcoins to buy? As of recently, all products released include xRapid, xCurrent, and xVia, which improves XRP's position in the blockchain network. Over the last 24 hours, XRP has increased by $0.436800, which is an increase of 1.1%, and XRP has been showing good progress since Ripple announced of its partnership with MoneyGram, which is one of the major Western Union competitors. Ripple Labs has conveyed that it will be buying 10% of the MoneyGram shares, thrice its market price. This partnership is a win-win. It's another significant integration that will see the price of XRP rise in the coming months. Moneynetint is an e-money firm based in the United Kingdom. The firm specializes in sending money across borders for corporate clients. It's something that implies that the amount of money being sent is relatively huge. Yishay Trif, the CEO of Moneynetint, in a statement said, "Once we realized XRP's price rises 30% to $1.30 in mad weekend dash. Ripple's had a good week. Its native asset XRP is today celebrating it as the price has spiked 30% by exchange. Despite SEC's shadow, the XRP token's price continues to draw support from a community of loyal and devoted cryptocurrency traders." The XRP tokens. XRP price live data. The live XRP price today is $0.910914 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $25,028,849,264 USD. XRP is down 6.15% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 5, with a live market cap of $41,359,167,360 USD. It has a circulating supply of 45,404,028,640 XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. An altcoin that many in the ecosystem had written off, owing to the troubles Ripple has been facing with the SEC. In fact, when the news broke out, the coin lost 50% of its value in just 48 hours. However, in 4 months, XRP's rise from 40 cents to $1.60 has many flummoxed. According to its predictions, the value of the Ripple XRP token could rise to $1.76 by the very end of 2021, rising to $2.98 in 2022, and achieving a mean price of $5.32 by 2025. Cryptoground has given a similar projection. Using its in-house deep learning algorithm to analyze the past performance of Ripple XRP, its system has predicted the following prices in the run-up to 2025. In fact, Ripple XRP's recent move to move 1 billion XRP from escrow has also raised some eyebrows. When the sentiment against a cryptocurrency is already less optimistic, it is likely to be hit even harder during a downtrend. While Ripple XRP may still rally north of $3 during the next cycle, it is extremely unlikely to maintain its rate of growth. Wallet Investor sees XRP below 10 cents in 2022. 2023 is supposed to become even worse. The price is expected to trade around 1 cent. In 2024, XRP/USD won't rise above 2 cents. In 2025, the price will get a chance to trade above 2 cents. Com expects Ripple will be below 10 cents by September 2023. At the end of 2024, the coin will return to 10 cents. Will XRP rise to $1 after 51 cents of last week? Crypto Novogratz also commented on the recent price surge related to XRP, calling the recent price rise from 40 cents to $1.60 in a month as a retail frenzy. He stated, "It doesn't make a lot of sense to me," as he described the sell-off of major cryptocurrencies, such as ETH and BTC, into altcoins. Novogratz defends XRP comment XRP and the rise of barter. Blog/Foreign Exchange posted February 19, 2021 by Martin Armstrong. Question: Martin, I wonder if you can comment on the potential of the SWIFT system being replaced by Ripple Labs XRP as a bridging currency between currency pairs making use of their patented on-demand liquidity system. If this is the case, then it would appear the USD is set to. We're all about helping you get more from your money. Let's get started today. Trade stocks, bonds, options, ETFs, and mutual funds, all in one easy-to-manage account. Novogratz, XRP rise doesn't make sense. Doge doesn't really have a purpose. The billionaire crypto advocate and Galaxy Digital founder believes that altcoin markets are frothing at the bit. As this report was written, XRP is the only coin in the top 10 by market cap to rise over the last 24 hours. SEC accusations: the SEC filed charges against Ripple Labs, and separately, Garlinghouse and Larson, for selling unregistered securities for XRP holders. That's extremely good news. Indeed, the rise in XRP's price of late has eclipsed the cryptocurrency's losses stemming from the initial lawsuit. Today, XRP is gaining as altcoin. XRP to rise by 60%. Investors in XRP are confident that the cryptocurrency has not yet reached its annual ATH. Based on the analysis published online, despite recent market activity, XRP is still in the bullish growth phase. Judging by the 6-month schedule, 60% growth is possible. Increasing odds for a 60% breakout. Some of the customers like xRapid. R/Wall Street bets pushing Ripple's XRP, expected to rise $1. Since 2014, the price of XRP has risen, even if it's still affordable as an investment. Ripple just might be the catalyst in making cryptocurrency more mainstream. The first price peak came in May 2017, when 1 XRP became worth 34 cents. The increase in XRP's value correlated with Ripple establishing itself in emerging markets when it opened new offices in Singapore and Mumbai. XRP technical analysis: I am new to trading and publishing ideas, so I have limited knowledge compared to those who have done so for years. After analyzing XRP and other cryptos for a few months now, it feels like I have predicted the outcome a few times, but I can never be certain. Why $1.40? It looks like XRP has broken the bearish trend and is now starting to rise. XRP price registered a sharp rise earlier today, registering a 15% gain over the past 24 hours and was trading at 60 cents mark. XRP rose to a daily high of 63 cents before registering a minor correction. The altcoin's rise is also in contrast to the market, where the majority of the cryptocurrencies registered minor correction after an almost a 4-day-long bullish rally. XRP, the cryptocurrency used in Ripple Labs' payments network, is rallying on the coattails of altcoin leader Ether's recent move to record highs. XRP rose to 72 cents early Monday. If you are looking for virtual currencies with good return, XRP can be a bad, high-risk 1-year investment option. XRP price equal to $1.021 at April 9, 2021, but your current investment may be devalued in the future. Trust Score Update: keeping you safer one step at a time with cybersecurity metric. XRP is shrugging off its recent price woes with a double-digit rise Thursday. The cryptocurrency was trading near 35 cents soon before press time, representing a nearly 50% gain on a 24-hour basis. As a result, XRP's market capitalization has increased to $13.88 billion, moving it above Litecoin as the 4th largest cryptocurrency, according to CoinDesk 20 data. Ripple XRP price prediction for 2021. Up or down? Mike Novogratz, the billionaire founding father of crypto merchant bank Galaxy Digital, made some vital remarks on 2 of TH. At this time Doge is holding at the level XRP strives to reach 30 cents and shows a rise of 273% over the past 24 hours. At press time, Doge is ranked 14 on CoinMarketCap. Doge was pumped by Redditors on r/Wall Street Bets, who also bought GME and AMA shares, pushing the price up, and a tweet of MSB chairman Twitter user, as well XRP price saw some rough treatment from the crypto market in 2019 so far, but there are indications that things might change for the third largest coin by market cap. In the first days of January, XRP fluctuated between a support level at $0.3500 and a resistance at $0.375. XRP was recently in the news after CoinShares, Europe's biggest digital asset investment company, announced the introduction of an exchange-traded product, ETP, called CoinShares Physical XRP, with the ticker XRPL. At delivery, each unit of XRPL will be backed by 40 XRP, and is intended to provide investors with yield exposure. This news adds to the bullish momentum that has been. On January 7, XRP, now in 5th place due to the speedy DOT rise, managed to recover to the 36 cents level on the wave of Bitcoin breaking above $36,000. After that, on January 10, XRP dropped from the 34 cents mark and hit 27 cents. At press time, the 5th largest cryptocurrency is changing hands at $0.3063. According to data from CoinMarketCap, despite all the trials that XRP is facing for years now, it is finally time for the token to dig itself out from the butter of the bull market. The time when Bitcoin and the other coins are formatting a steep rise. The nibble is already started, as there are far other coins that are performing well and dominating the Bitcoin. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.